Welcome back. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this bag because I did open it in the car on the way home. Just a bit, looked in some of the stuff, but there was one part of the bag that was kind of wet, and I really want to get that out and let it dry out. I don't know why it was wet, but we'll start off with some of these other ones. So there is just so much stuff. So I've got a lot of these in here. I don't know exactly what they are. I got a bunch of Bolero tips in silver. I don't know why, but I thought they looked so cool. So this was one of the things that I saw that I'm like, that's kind of cool. I think I want that. For no reason. I don't have any use for them, but. And then there's these silver slit. I think you would attach like beads on a necklace. So that's pretty. This one's pretty. I should zoom in a bit. Okay. So this one's trying to decide where. So here's a piece of paper, white paper. Bolo, not bolo roll. Bolo. I've got these purple connectors, a bunch of these clamshells. I've already seen some of this, so that's why I can say that there's a bunch of these. So I had a camera snafu there. There's these cute little cameos that are really just adorable. Little tips. A few more of those. Another one of those. These ones are really different. They're these wonderful little leaf clusters. And I have them in a couple colors. More the clams. Some. I cannot find any words today. I really probably shouldn't be filming this, but I want to get it done before my kids get into stuff. Clasps. That's what I want to call them. Clasps. Some clips. Man, I do not have words. End cap gold. Pin back. Okay, pin back. Thank you. Some golden noodles. Bunch more of these. I don't know what these things are. I have to go backwards. Do you guys know what these things are? If you know, please let me know down in the comments. Got these cute little word plates, and they are adorable. This one says love, faith, peace, and hope. I think they'd be really cute on top of a book, on a junk journal. Some little leaves, beads, some big leaf beads. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly where you would thread them through. Or maybe they would just stick on the cover, but you could probably color these a bit more. They would be very cute. These are some sort of connectors. I'm not entirely sure how they work. A little boo pin. Pretty bracelet. Here's some more of those leaf, like these, except these ones are green. Back pin. This is the bolo slide. So I have a bunch of bolo slides to go, but I don't know if I'll use them that way. This was really pretty. These are little USA pins. Like I said, we're way past $5 in value here. These go for beaded necklaces, I think. They're really pretty. I might not use them as a necklace, but I might use them in some other crafts because they're very, very decorative. These big sieve, and there were some little sieves. Yeah, here's the little sieve. And then these pins, I have no idea what they're for, but oh, and this owl pin. Oh, he's so cute. Absolutely adorable. Isn't he pretty? He's going to be cute on a scrapbook, on a book purse, or I don't know. Here's some more necklace connectors and a small chunk of chain. These little pretty beads. This snowflake. Yeah, the snowflake. A bunch of black beads. Part of the reason I go to this sale is my youngest, well, both my girls are really into crafting. And this way, I have so much stuff, I don't mind them getting into my crafting stuff and making whatever it is that they want to make to the little heart's desire. Because I bought a bunch of it and I got it cheap. So it's not just craft supplies for me, although they are for me. Another one of these birds in a tree. Those are cute. And look at this little stone butterfly. I wonder what stone that is. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. It's a pretty little carved butterfly. I love that it has eyes on one side and on the back, so that that there is a specific back. And so it threads this way, so it would hang straight down. Those are cute. Little lime green connectors, some more cameos. And we're not done, people. I'm not even halfway through the bag. Got these little glass tiles. So there's 4, 8, 12 in the pack. Another small chunk of chain. That'll be good for closing the straps for my books. These are a bunch of the little... Get these out. It's hard to see through the bag. Oh, maybe on this side? Yeah, you can see them on this side. They're little leaves. Little silver leaves. I don't know how they're used, but I can glue them onto a project. Some more of these little tubey things. Again, I have no idea what they are. Got this beautiful starfish. Isn't that cute? It's just adorable. Yeah. That could also be like a book closure. And some more tubey things. A bunch of pink and white and red beads. Some more toppers for beads, beaded necklaces. Again, I don't know if I'll use them that way or if I'll use them some other way, but maybe I'll use them. I have a bunch of beads now. I got beads when Joann's closed up in the Sioux. Some more of these Peace, Love, and Faith tiles. Some spring closures. Yeah, I have no idea. This cute little crab. I should get him out. He's a cute little crab. I love it. More tubes. Some earring backs or earrings. Another package of like a teal bead. Another snowflake. It looks like that on the front. This cute little flower chain. I would love to put this on a closure for a book. So it just hooks closed and holds your journal while closed. That's gonna be awesome. Some more latches. I'm almost there. I'm almost to the inner bag. I don't know what this hunk is like. Merely to be put on a necklace. I don't know. But I got it. I got some more bolo slides. This is wet. And these are some more closures or toppers for beads. This is some sort of necklace hook. Like it's got a loop here and then it curves around and then it's got a loop over there. So I think that you could put some like gems along the front and have this as a necklace, like the pendant for a necklace. Now these ones were in the part that felt wet. I don't know why it was wet, but it was. This says porcelain, or 3mm ivory, but it's got a weird texture to it, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but obviously lay it out to dry. And it's got some diagonal mirrors. Those are going to be fun. This hand-tooled piece. You can tell I haven't done this for a while. I can't figure out how to talk. And again, I'm upside down and backwards. I can't go this slow through everything. Wax linen, some more triangles, a bunch of lanyard hooks. My daughter likes to put beads and stuff on these. Some more cameos, more cameos. They're really tiny cameo. Some adhesive silver pin back. It's pretty hard. Not pretty hard. And then this is pretty bells. I'm gonna make a really cute Christmas theme junk journal. And I have some Christmas cards I was gonna make into a junk journal, so that works perfect. It's a pretty hard. That's really pretty. Some springs. This is a button cover. I don't know what I can use it for, but I'll find something. Cameos, another heart. Bolo slide. Springs, curved tubes, but they're silver. This is an end cap gold bolo slide. It's a pretty leaf, isn't it gorgeous? It just looks up there. That's gonna be beautiful. Cameos, more pins. Oh my gosh, this bag keeps going on. Bolo slide, end cap gold, bolo tips, some gold bolo tips, some ear clips, end cap gold, bolo silver slide, linen, bolos. Got some end caps, some cameos, earring backs. Again, don't know what I'm going to use them for. This pretty necklace. It's got some sort of glue that's coming off of it. So maybe I wonder if that's what all this is from. Bow slide, some sort of necklace connector. I don't know. It's got 3 loops on each side. I have no idea. Some more of those little cappy things or tube things. I have no idea what they are. Bolo slides. Bolo slides. Random gem. I'm almost there. These are literally the last things. There's a black button. Well, it's not a button. I don't think. Oh, it does have. It's got a little hole at the top, so it can be a necklace. End caps. It has some random little connectors. This looks like a necklace pendant, but a back. So like if you did stained glass or fused glass, you could stick your cabochon right here, and then this would be the necklace part. So that's nice. Yeah, and in the bottom there's a bunch of little connectors and this tiny little pink bead gem. Anyway, that was all $5. $5! So they're open all of July with their tent sale. Get them while they last. I am not paid. This is not a commercial. This is just an unboxing. They don't know me. They are not a sponsor. It would be awesome if they were, but they're not. And I get absolutely no money for doing this. So, yeah. I did it because I wanted to. Stop with the weird comments. Anyway, I'm picking out the rest of the little connector stuff at the bottom of the bag. Alright, $5. $5. And there will be 3 more bags that I will unbox, but not tonight. Thanks, and I will talk to you later. Bye.